Digley and Dazey, doing some work on the farm. Uh-oh, clumsy Daisy has knocked over a bit of fence. It's Pablo Pig. Cheeky Pablo. He's going to escape the farm. Quick, catch him before he gets away. Go on, Digley, you can do it. Look, Carlos the calf is sneaking out too. Behind you, Daisy. He's running. Hurry after that calf. Now Pablo's balancing on the fence. Ouch! Belly flop. Now he's off again. Whoa! Spinning round so much has made Daisy dizzy. Oh no! Now Dylan the duck is coming out. You've got to stop them, Daisy. Look out, Daisy. Ducks can swim, but you... Oh dear. Those farm animals are really pesky. Pablo Pig is running into the wheat field. He must be hiding in here somewhere. There he is. And there's Letty Lamb too. After them, Digley. Well done, Digley. You caught Letty Lamb. 3 more to go. That's Dylan the duck. And Carlos the calf too. Nice work, Daisy. Now you've caught Pablo too. All the animals are back safe and sound. Well done, Digley and Daisy. With that fence repaired, they won't escape again.
Look, it's the construction crew, and they're building a castle. Digley is directing Daisy as she lifts a big heavy block and puts it in place. CJ squirts the cement and... done! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks on one side and 1, 2 on the other. They're going to need some more blocks. Go, go, Dozer. 1, 2, 3 blocks across the drawbridge. Good job, Dozer. Oh no, it's a scary shark. Whoops! One of the blocks has fallen into the water. Poor Dozer, it was just an accident. Now Daisy has to lift the blocks into place. 1, 2 blocks are left. They're really heavy. Careful, Daisy. Oops, they'll smash up. Oh no, Daisy's music got turned up really loud. She dropped the blocks. Phew, Digley caught one of the blocks, but oh dear, the other smashed. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side. 1, 2, 3 on the other. Oh dear, they don't match. But wait, I think Digley has an idea. What's he up to? He's taking a block from the taller tower. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now he's adding the block to the shorter tower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They match. Nice work, Digley. It's the construction crew. They're finishing their work on a new tunnel. Uh-oh. What's that sound? There's been a huge explosion down the mountain. Look, huge rolling snowballs. It's an avalanche. CJ tells the other workers to get inside the tunnel for safety. Dozer pushes Johnny in. There's no time to waste. Digley rushes to Daisy and tells her to get into the tunnel. The two get in just in time and the snow crashes down behind them. It's really dark in the tunnel. Digley grabs a lantern and goes to investigate the snowed-in entrance. It looks too thick to dig through. Even Johnny can't dig through it. Digley starts investigating the rest of the tunnel. He can spot something up ahead. There are some train carriages on the tracks. tracks lead deeper into the tunnel. Digley thinks that they can get on the train and escape out the other end of the tunnel. The construction crew have all jumped on the train. Dozer is nervous to be at the front. Johnny gives them a push and they're off! Whoa! It's like a giant roller coaster. Look at them go! Whoosh! This looks like fun. Uh-oh. There is a snow blockage that they're going to crash into. The construction crew burst through the snow. They're outside and safe. Good job, Digley and Dozer. It's a new day at the construction site. I wonder what they'll build today. Ooh! Mr. Rubble says they're going to build a car wash. Amazing! Everyone's working as a team to build the car wash. Now they just need to add soap. Oh dear! That barrel doesn't look like soap. But Bump hasn't noticed. Here's Mr. Rubble to take a look. Oh dear, he's all dirty. Not to worry, he can get all clean in the new car wash. Oh dear, something's gone wrong. It turned Mr. Rubble green. I don't think he's noticed. They can't let him look in the mirror. Digley's investigating. There's the problem. Bump put paint in the car wash, not soap. They'll need to paint Mr. Rubble back to the right colour. Splosh! Daisy splashed Mr. Rubble with mud. Now he'll need to use the car wash again. In Mr. Rubble goes. Oh no, now Mr. Rubble is blue. Quick! They need to stop him before he looks in the mirror. Splash! Nice work, Daisy. Now he needs to use the car wash again. Digley's putting in another paint can. I hope this is the right colour. Into the car wash Mr. Rubble goes. Phew, he's back to his normal colour at last, and squeaky clean too. Thank goodness. Looking good, Mr. Rubble. Good job, everyone. It's a bright sunny day at the construction HQ. Aw, Bump hasn't quite woken up yet. He doesn't like mornings. Here are today's plans. They're going to build a pond. How exciting! This'll be so much fun. First, it's up to Digley to dig the hole. Good job, Digley. Next, Bump pushes the dirt away and Daisy puts some stones around the edge of the pond. Great. Now all that's left is to fill it up with water. Better get out of the way, Digley. Bump's turned on the tap and the water runs through the hose. Daisy doesn't like that stone. Oh no! The stone landed on the hose! Now the water can't get through. Quick! They need to do something. Daisy's got an idea. She's going to hit the stone. Splash! Uh-oh. Now the hose has sprung a leak. The water is spraying everywhere. But Mrs. Skip knows what to do. They can use a Band-Aid to stick the hole shut. There. Good job, everyone. Now the water can flow again. Mr. Rubble wonders where the water's got to. Oops. Mr. Rubble has ended up in the pond. but that's okay. He thinks it's funny too. Splash! Great work, guys! It's a bright new day at Construction HQ. Digley and Dazey are so excited to see what they'll build today. Oh wow! A Ferris wheel! This'll be so much fun! Now they're at the fairground. The wheel is almost ready. Dazey is just lifting it up. Boing! There, it's finished. But who's going to take a ride in it first? Hooray! Digley is having a go. Dazey throws the switch and up Digley goes. But uh-oh, something is wrong. Oh dear, the wheel stopped. Digley is stuck at the top. There must be a way to get him down. Dazey has an idea. Whoosh! A pillow to jump on? I don't think that's going to work. Dazey will have to think of something else. She's off again. Whoosh! Look, now Dazey is trying to pull the wheel round, but it's no good. It's stuck tight. But now she has another idea. Blocks? I wonder what Dazey is up to. Whoa! She's built steps all the way up to Digley. Here's Mrs. Skip. Oh wow! She's got a ramp to put on top of the blocks. They could turn it into a giant slide. Whee! That was so much fun! Digley is fixing the wheel controls. Good as new. The Ferris wheel is ready. But look, Digley and Dazey just want to use it to slide down the slide. It looks like so much fun. They haven't just built one fairground ride, they've built two. Digley and Dazey are so excited for Halloween. They can't wait to go trick-or-treating tonight. Oh dear. Mr. Rubble says they've still got work to do. Digley and Dazey are working hard on the construction site. There's Foster and Scout going trick-or-treating. Digley and Dazey wish that they could join them. Here comes Mrs. Skip. Look, she's given them Halloween masks. That's given Dazey an idea. What's that noise? Trick or treat! Dazey is trick-or-treating Mr. Rubble, and he doesn't recognise her. He's given her some sweets. Maybe they can go trick-or-treating after all. Now Digley's going to try. Trick or treat! Mr. Rubble doesn't recognise Digley either, so gives him some sweets. But, that trick-or-treater looked kind of familiar. Mr. Rubble's going to investigate. Uh-oh. Dazey's hiding, Digley's running. Mr. Rubble thinks something funny is going on. A trail of sweets. He's chasing after Digley. Oops. Oh dear. Mr. Rubble found them. He caught them playing instead of working. But... he's brought them some more sweets. Mr. Rubble is a big softie, really. Now he's letting Digley and Dazey go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. It's a winter's day at the Construction HQ, and all the crew are excited to get to work. Oh, today they're building a windmill. Hooray! But, oh dear, those dark clouds don't look good. They'd better get to work fast. In no time at all, the windmill is almost finished. Now the sails are on too. Now to test it. But wait, it's snowing. It's snowing a lot. Oh dear. Mr. Rubble says they need to go inside or they'll catch colds. Digley wants to play in the snow, but he has to go inside. The next morning, everyone is ready to get back to work. Oh look, there's so much snow outside. Oops, I don't think that'll work, Mr. Rubble. Digley can dig a path through the snow. There, now they need to reach the windmill. Almost there. There, but the button is frozen up. This looks like a job for Daisy. There, no problem. Whoa! The windmill is blowing all the snow away. Great work, everyone. Now they have time to play. They can all slide down the snowdrifts. Hooray!
Everyone is so excited for Christmas at the construction site, but there's still work to do. Today, they're building a pylon. But Mrs. Skip has plans for a Christmas tree. Wow! But Mr. Rubble says that there's no time for Christmas trees. They have work to do. Everyone is so disappointed. Soon, everyone is working hard on building the pylon. But what's Mrs. Skip up to? Oh, she started to make a Christmas tree in secret. But she needs a bit of help. Everyone is still hard at work. Oh, Digley's telling Daisy about the secret Christmas tree. They're building it out of rubbish. It's a recycled Christmas tree. There's Bump and CJ. They can help too. Everyone's finding things they can recycle for the Christmas tree. Mr. Rubble wonders what everyone's up to. Some planks, green paint, the tree is really taking shape. Ornament and a satellite dish for the star. Hooray! And the pylon is finished too. Good job, everyone. But Mr. Rubble wonders where everyone's got to. Oh, he's found the secret tree. What's Mr. Rubble doing? Oh, he's helping. He's plugging in the lights. He's not angry. He's happy. Merry Christmas, everyone.
It's a fun snowy day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they're building today. An ice rink? Amazing! Here's the frozen pond. To turn it into a skating rink, they need to put up the soft safety barriers. Uh-oh, Bump's moving the snow, but he's not seen Mr. Rubble. Oops, Mr. Rubble is on the ice. His wheels can't grip. He's sliding. Quick! Digley and Dazey can move the barrier so he doesn't crash. Phew, nice work. But now Mr. Rubble is sliding towards the market stall. Mrs. Skip has to bounce him back. Good job, Mrs. Skip. Bounce, bounce. Mr. Rubble's going back and forth like a ping-pong ball. But I think Digley has a plan. They can bounce him into this pile of snow. Daisy's bouncing him towards the snow pile. Whoosh!
Is Mr. Rubble okay? Ah, there he is. Good job, everyone. Now the ice rink can be finished in no time. Digley and Dazey are having fun skating on it. But what's this? Skates? Now Mr. Rubble can join in and skate too. Whoa, whoa there. He's got it. It's so much fun to go ice skating.
Ooh, Digley has a new book. Everyone wants to see. It's all about dinosaurs. But Mr. Rubble is waiting. It's time to start work. Today they're building a roundabout. Soon everyone is hard at work. Digley just wants to read his book. But now isn't the time. There's work to do. Wait, what's Digley found? It looks like some old bones. I wonder what they are. Daisy's collecting them up. There are so many. Oh, I think they're dinosaur bones. Now they just need to put them together like a jigsaw puzzle. Everyone is helping put the dinosaur bones together. Done. That doesn't look right. Oh dear, they'll have to try again. What about now? Nope, that's not right either. But wait, on the front cover, that's it. It's a T-Rex skeleton. Now they know what it is, they can put it together properly. Nice work, everyone. Now it can stand in the middle of the roundabout. It's a new day on the construction site. Oh dear, Bump is so slow. He's going to be late. Mr. Rubble doesn't like it when people are late. Today they're going to build a sandpit. How exciting! Digley has dug the hole in no time at all. Oh dear, it takes Bump a long time to get anywhere. Now they just need to fill the hole with sand. But oh dear, Bump has to go all the way over there to get it. Bump looks very gloomy. Everyone is so much faster than him. But what's this? Digley has an idea. Oh, he's making some changes to Bump's engine. Now Bump is so much faster. Whoa! Watch out, Mr. Rubble. Uh-oh, Bump is speeding around out of control. Look out for that pile of dirt. Oh dear. Poor Bump. He's just not designed to go fast. Digley is going to change him back. Later on, Digley and Dazey are trying to load the sand into the sand pit. But it's taking them forever. But wait, with his big scoop, Bump can do that in no time. He may not move fast, but he can move things faster than anyone else. Nice work, Bump. He's very useful just the way he is. The whole construction crew are getting ready for today's job. They're building that crumbly old building. That can't be right. Oh, they're demolishing the building. Dazey is so excited. Soon enough, it's time to get to work. The building looks like it could fall down any moment. It'll be safer to knock it down. Everyone is ready to get started. But wait! Stop everyone! There's a little kitten beside it. Oh no! The kitten could get hurt if they knock it down now. Phew! Digley stopped them just in time. They need to get the kitten out of harm's way. She's so cute. Ooh! I think Mr. Rubble's afraid of cats. The kitten ran back inside. Oh dear. They can't knock down the building with the kitten inside. Digley's trying to get her to come out with some milk. Daisy wants to pet the kitten, but Digley thinks that'll frighten her. Oh no, Daisy accidentally hit the building. I think it's going to collapse, but the cat is still inside. What will they do? Maybe Mr. Rubble can help, but he'll have to face his fear of cats. Mr. Rubble is small enough to fit inside. Phew! Mr. Rubble saved the kitten, and just in time. That was a close one. Mr. Rubble was very brave to rescue the kitten. I think he's got over his fear of cats now. He's made a friend. It's a very windy day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they'll be building today. Oh wow! A towpath for the canal. That looks amazing. To build a towpath, they'll need paving slabs. Here comes Rocky the riverboat to deliver them. Ooh, it is windy today. Rocky loves to listen to music on his big headphones. There. Now to unload the slabs. Gently there. Thanks, Rocky. Now the crew can get to work on the towpath. But the wind is picking up. Oh no! Mr. Rubble's hat. It's landed on the back of Rocky. Not to worry. Mrs. Skip can get it. She's even trying it on. Oh no! Rocky is sailing on. But he doesn't realise Mrs. Skip is still on the back. Come back, Rocky. He can't hear them because of his big headphones. What's Mrs. Skip going to do? She can't get carried off down the river. Who knows where she'll end up? They have to get Rocky's attention somehow. Watch where you're going, Mr. Rubble. Oops, Mr. Rubble hit a box. Digley is racing ahead to try and stop Rocky. Maybe he can get his attention with this ball. Good thing Mrs. Skip has the helmet. What's Daisy up to? She's brought the stack of slabs. I wonder what her plan is. She's hopping up on top. Hooray! She saved Mrs. Skip. She's back on dry land, safe and sound. Phew. Later on, and the towpath is almost finished. Rocky is drifting past again, still listening to his music. He never knew anything was wrong.
It's another sunny day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they're building today. Oh, nice. A barn. This looks like a good spot to start building. First, they need to lay these planks down. Haha! Nice one, Bump. But what's this? A bunny? Oh no! They're building the barn all over the bunny's home, but I don't think the crew have noticed. The bunnies are definitely not happy. What are they going to do? This bunny has jumped up onto the bricks. What is she doing? She's trying to take one of the bricks. Oh, here comes Bump. I don't think he noticed the bunny. Now Daisy has put some pipes down. And that bunny has pushed them over. And now the bunny has taken that pipe. What are they up to? Now Digley is laying out his tools. But one of the bunnies is moving his hammer. And now they're moving his screwdriver too. Digley doesn't get it. Where did his tools go? The whole construction crew are very confused. How do things keep going missing? It's such a mystery. Wait! Now they know the bunnies are the ones moving everything. But why? Oh! They've moved everything into another field. They want the crew to build the barn over there instead, so it's not on top of their rabbit holes. Now Daisy gets it. Now the crew have moved all the building materials into the other field, just like the bunnies wanted. In no time at all, the barn is all finished, all good in the new field. The bunnies are so happy. Well done, team. It's a really sunny day at Construction HQ. All the crew are having fun playing with a beach ball. Ha! Nice one, Mr. Rubble. Now today, they're putting up some traffic lights. In no time at all, they're nearly done. Daisy's just putting the last traffic light up. And now Digley has to plug them in. There! The lights are all turning on. Oh, they've gone out. Back at HQ, Mr. Rubble's playing with the ball. What's happening to the lights? Now Mr. Rubble is stuck in the dark. The power has all gone. That's very strange. Here's the electricity cable. It looks okay. I wonder where it leads. Digley's going to follow it. Mr. Rubble is still stuck in the dark. Digley and Daisy are following the cable all through the construction site. Oops! It's leading them right through this muddy puddle. Yuck! And even under this archway. Look out, Daisy! But where does it lead? Look! An electricity generator. Look at all that smoke. It must have broken down. That's why the power cut out. How will they get electricity now? Wait, I think Daisy has a plan. The sun. They can use solar panels to make power from the sunshine. Very clever, guys. Daisy puts the last one in place. With all those panels, they should have lots of power. CJ's trying the switch. Hooray! The lights are back on. It worked. Good job. Oh, Mr. Rubble has got into a real mess while he was stuck in the dark.